It's now possible for your message to reach anyone, anywhere, at any time using high-definition video. It's as simple as this. Walk in, have a seat, and let the creativity begin. Video grabs your attention instantly. Which do you prefer?
You can run in here, you can do the lifting, you can hit, you can throw.
Of course, video provides the emphasis and emotion that pictures, documents, and text just can't. Tell your story in less time, no matter what the topic.
We promise.
Bring the message to your webpage using your voice,
In New Mexico, in a college and career readiness class.
your video,
The difficult part of this project is transferring
and your vision.
1999 that I was completing a
People expect to see video when browsing the web. Will your website invite or disappoint? Call now to see how we can assist you with the development of your marketing plan by producing video for your website, mobile devices, digital signage, as well as television.